Hello everyone. This is topic administer of the medication topic anemia. Anemia's definition: an anemia in an the infection. Anemia in an infection of the solution into the luel for the washing and the evacuating its contents. In a few intricacies, it is a given for the treatment of boil or the introduction of fluids and drugs which are meant to be retained and the absorbed. Retained and observed. Classification of anemia. Anemias can be classified into two major groups as shown in the figure below. Anemias can be classified into two major groups and shown in the figure below. Anemia: evacuant anemia, retained anemia. Two part: evacuant anemia, retained anemia. Evacuant anemia, three parts: simple evacuant anemia, medicated evacuant anemia, cold anemia. Retained anemia, 5 point: stimulate anemia, nutrient anemia, emulsion anemia, sedative anemia, anesthetic anemia. Anesthetic anemia and while anemia, purgative anemia, astringent anemia, antiheliolytics anemia, cumulative anemia. The different type of the anemia, their purpose, solution used with their amount and temperature are the detailed in the table. Anemia is disease of nutrients nutrition deficiency, nausea and vomiting. These are the most frequent post-preventive gastrointestinal symptoms. Nausea usually precede vomiting, but it may also occurs along this the sensation which occurs at the back of the throat or pit of the stomach is caused by the increased tension upon the wall of the stomach of the duodenum or by the distension of the lower and the esophagus. Post-operative nausea usually occurs when the gag reflex returns and many continue from one to the several hours after the patient regains consciousness. This may be due to various reasons, including the effect of the anesthetics agent or the drugs. Nausea and the vomiting. Vomiting is the overload food and the bad food in and the overfast food. Vomiting in the excessive ideas to the salt and water deposition. First point: in most causes, vomiting is very quickly. If it does not, IV phenomenon slumps in the usually effective. Second point is the vomiting persist. The stomach should be aspirated by Ryle's tube. Why Ryle's tube? Ryle's tube medical name and the Second name, nasogastric tube. This patient Ryle's tube provide in the food. Third point, the patient is given fluid only at the first until the between sound rhythm. Until the below sound rhythm. Thank you guys.